So here's how to file taxes for F1 students using Sprintax. First, you'll need to go to sprintax.com in your browser. Now click on the students button in here, and you'll be prompted to log into your Sprintax account. Now, if you don't have one, you can simply click on sign up and fill this information to create an account. So I have logged into my account in this page. Now you'll be prompted to select your visa type. You should click on the drop box and select F1 student. And then you'll be taken to this page, which tells you the required documents to start or to prepare before starting, which is the passport, the visa immigration document from I-20 for F status, or for form DS 2019 for J status, and your SSN or social security number, and your ITIN for individual taxpayer identification number. Now you'll need your income documents if applicable. Form W2 reports wages from employment, and Form 1042S reports scholarship or fellowship income. Form 1099 reports other income types, and US entry and exit dates, which can be obtained from your I-94 record. So the steps you will need to get once you prepare all these info and documents, you should click on get started and then click on I understand. Now you should be taken to this page. You simply need to choose the tax year you need a tax return prepared for example 2024, and you can check this box if you want to correct your 2024 year tax return you already sent to the IRS. Then you can scroll down and click on this button here to continue. And now you will be taken to the residency status to answer a few questions, and including visiting the US or not. You will also need to determine your residency status and complete the necessary forms. Now, if you had the US income, you will need to file Form 1040NR, just federal tax return, or Form 8843. Now, if you had no US income, you will need to file only Form 8843. Now, for the state tax return, depending on your state, you might need to file a state tax return. Sprintax can also assist you with that, but it requires an additional fee. And filing federal returns, which Sprintax users can file an e-file through Sprintax for the eligible users. And for others, you might need to print and sign documents and then mail them to the forms. And for the state return, typically requires printing and mailing. Now, once you continue to fill all these forms in here, answering the questions, you will be taken to the last page here to review and finalize your documents before submitting them. And the most common questions here is, for example, do I have to file if I had no income? So, of course, you would need to file. All F1 students must file a Form 8843, even without income. Now, also the question here, what if I miss the deadline? So you will need to file as soon as possible to avoid penalties. Because late filing can impact future US visa or even green card applications. And the last question is, can I get a tax refund? Now, if you have overpaid taxes, you're eligible for a refund. Also, Sprintax should help you maximize your refund by identifying applicable deductions and treaty benefits. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.